Hello friends! Today, we'll discuss two important statements in JavaScript, the break and continue statements. The break statement allows us to jump out of a loop. We've already seen how it works with the switch statement. Another one is the continue statement. The continue statement lets us jump over one iteration within a loop, effectively moving the control back to the start of the loop for the next iteration. Let's understand this with an example. We'll create a for loop to count numbers from 1 to 10. However, we'll add a condition to exit the loop when we reach the number 7. Let's initialize a variable I to 1 and continue the loop as long as I is less than or equal to 10. Incrementing I by 1 in each iteration. We will use console.log to display the current value of I, no matter what its value is. Now, instead of using a break statement, we'll use an if statement with the condition that when I equals 7, we'll employ the break inside it. As a result, you can see that it displays numbers from 1 to 6 because when I become 7, the break statement is executed within the loop's body, causing the remaining iterations of the loop to be skipped. The control then moves directly outside the loop body. Now, let's replace the break with the continue statement. This time, only the number 7 is missing from the list. When the value of I reaches 7, the continue statement is executed, preventing the execution of the remaining statements in the current iteration and moving the control to the next iteration. So, this is the break and continue statements. The break statement jumps out of a loop and the continue jumps over one iteration in the loop. If you find it helpful, please consider giving it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell for updates on future videos.